Thanks for inviting us in on this Thursday night. If you're like me and you ordered those free at-home COVID tests from the federal government, check your email tonight. When your tests are on the way, you're going to see an email just like this one in your inbox. It's going to tell you when to expect your COVID test in the mailbox. Now, since temperatures have been very cold here in central Indiana, bring those tests inside because experts are saying once the test freezes, it may not work.
Well, if you ordered one of those free at-home COVID tests, you should be getting it in your mailbox or on your front porch any day now. But experts say don't leave it outside for too long. That's because this cold weather could impact your results. Every COVID test is a little different, but most require storage above freezing, an issue for those living in cold states like Indiana.
Tests themselves say right on the packaging that the temperature should be anywhere between 35 to 36 Fahrenheit up to 86. So that's sort of in that non-freezing range, not too cold, not too hot.
Dr. Sean Granis with the Reagan Street Institute said the liquid inside the kit can freeze, creating a false negative result.
If they're not kept in that range, what can happen, there's protein in the liquid in the testing kit, they can break down. It's called denaturing.
If your test kit sits in the extreme cold for a long period of time, you can always check the liquid to make sure it's still usable.
If the liquid freezes, the advice is not to use it because it's likely defective.
And the FDA also says it's important for your test kit to be used at room temperature. So if the liquid isn't frozen, leave your test out so it can warm up.
The best suggestion is if you receive an at-home COVID test during extreme temperatures, high or low, to let it return to room temperature, look at the packaging for directions there, and then take the test as you would.
Dr. Kara Cecil says the same guidelines also apply when it comes to storing your test at home. Don't leave it in your car or garage.
Typically, the guidance is to store these kind of medications and tests inside, away from areas of high humidity, but at a constant temperature.
So the bottom line is bring in your test as soon as possible and also keep an eye out for any delivery updates.
If those COVID tests are in your mailbox right now, go outside and get